Okay, so I'm going to use my Festool CT 15E to vacuum out my truck, see how it works. It compares to my Craftsman Rigid Shop Vacs. We're going to use this. We're going to use the little accessories that come with it. It uses the Clean Tech, Festool Clean Tech technology, and it's the cheaper model of the MIDI. Still, it's a HEPA dust extractor. It has the HEPA filters. It just doesn't have the attachments up top for the hoses and things, and doesn't have Bluetooth technology. It's really no difference. But it's a smaller vac system. We're going to try it and see how it works. Okay, you can see here I just plugged in the shop vac into the 120 outlet in the back of the truck. There's 4 of them, and then there's also one 240 outlet, which runs off of the inverter inside this truck. The truck has an electric battery that will be charged with the gas intermittently, probably every couple of minutes. The gas engine will turn on just to recharge the electric battery. So the electric battery pretty much does all the work, and you'll turn on the generator here. On the screen, you'll see it momentarily here. We'll turn the generator on, and you'll see how much power it starts out with. So you have total 7.2 kilowatt power when you add up all the outlets. But this outlet, I believe, is going to be 120 volts, obviously, which I believe is about 2.4 kilowatts. So as you can see here, we're at 200 watts here. So as we turn on the shop vac, we'll show how high and how much power we use. So here I'm just going to start vacuuming out the floor liners here in the back. There's a couple little markings on this from some stuff I had in the back here. There's kind of little scuff marks. I have to probably pull these out and wipe them down also. But I'm just going to run, this is strictly just the shop vac for the Festool to see how good it does, cleaning up a lot of this dust and debris. And that's all we're doing here. We're just going to run this with the little attachments that come with it. It comes with 2 attachments, one thin attachment and one like little vacuum attachment like this. And also you could use the regular hose too. And as you see, also the power is hanging off the cord here, and that's usually because it plugs into another tool. But here we're using the shop vac. So how much power we're using with the Festool shop vac? We're going to use probably about, as you can see here, just over 1,000 watts. So about 1.01 kilowatts. So it really didn't stress the truck at all. We still had a lot more juice left in that one outlet. So we're just going to keep vacuuming it out and just go through the whole truck. Also, just to be clear, the Festool is not truly a shop vac. It's more of a dust extractor for small particles, mainly for your lungs, but it does work as a nice little vacuum here, also, as you can see. Later I'll pull these little weather mats out of the truck to kind of, knock the dust out of them, just pat them down rather than run the shop vac over all of it. It's kind of a waste with the little grooves and everything. It's just easier to pat them out. So that's the power we used. We used just over 1 kilowatt. So we really didn't use much power at all. I believe there's like 2.4 kilowatts per outlet or gang. So this is pretty much it. It's almost done here. It came out really nice. I kind of liked it. I think, I liked it better than the Craftsman. I'll compare it to the Rigid shop vac next. But I think this didn't use as much power, but I thought it was quieter, a little longer of a hose, a little easier to handle because it was smaller and lighter. So I thought it was overall a little better than a Craftsman. I'll show a little bit of the Craftsman clips in a couple of minutes here. But I thought it came out nice, and this is what you're used to seeing with the Festool plugged into tools, whether it be the track saw, your domino joiner. The domino joiner is perfect because they have the shop vac plugged in. You can see it clears out all the dust chips from your mortises. I've also plugged in hand planers to this. This is not ideal since the chips are sometimes too big. It's great for the sander. It's awesome for that. So I like this tool. It's not the highest end, but here's the Craftsman now, and I definitely like the Festool a little better. So as we show some clips here from the Craftsman, we'll go over some of the comparisons and specs. So the Craftsman's obviously is a bigger shop vac. It's 12 gallon compared to the Festool, which I believe is a 4 gallon. The hose is a lot wider, wider diameter. I believe it's a 4-inch or 2.5-inch hose compared to the Festool, which is like a 1.5-inch hose. So the Festool is more ideal for getting at tighter crevices, and also the Craftsman uses more power. It used 1.3 kilowatts. And here's the specs on the Craftsman. It's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 gallon, made in China. And the Festool is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 10 amp, and it's made in Germany. So here's the end product. It came out very nice either way. Thanks for watching.